Hey, what is up guys, Renz Dagz TV here, and we're back for another video. Now for this video guys, I'll show you how to get Google mobile services running on your Huawei devices without downgrading your system. Now for those who are Huawei devices owners who are currently not supported with the LZ Play method, then you are on the right video. And if you're interested, let's go ahead and start. Alright, so we are back. Now for this device that I'm on right now guys, this is a Nova 7i device, and currently we are on build number 10.1.0.354. Now this system does not support LZ Play method yet, unless we will downgrade this one to a older version, and you know how it goes. So we don't need that for now, since we'll be using the modded version that I made for you guys, and this is based with based on the GSpace 1.1.5 version. So the file will be linked in the description of this video. Make sure to check that out and download the file that we need. So the file that we need right now is called the RDTV GMS zip file. So this one, and you can just extract it, and once extracted, you will get the RDTV GMS folder, and you will get 5 files in total inside it. So the first file we have here is the Aurora Store, which I will install right away as we move along. So let me first prepare Aurora Store here. So in my case here, Aurora Store has been installed previously, and permission has already been granted. So make sure you grant those permissions and just start as anonymous user, okay? And once done, head back to our files, and we can now install the shortcut maker. But as you notice here, the number 2 file says install from Aurora Store, because sometimes if you just use this one and install this directly, it will not let you go to the history part, so which I'll explain later. So make sure you go back to the Aurora Store here. Let me just look for mine. Here you go, and then just click on this magnifying glass search thing and search for shortcut maker, and right away you will recognize the one that we need, this one here. And in my case, it's already installed. So once you have this one installed, you can then open this and then click on history. So let me remove the ones I have here. So assuming that this is going to be the first time that we do this, so we can move along together. So let me go back. So once the shortcut maker app is open, you can click on history, go at the upper right hand corner with the 3 dots menu there, click on restore, and then go back to where your files has been extracted. You should have the shortcuts.smf file on here, which in my case, the easier to do would be to go under hold on 1 second here, internal storage, okay. And then mine was under the folder says RDTV GMS, and the shortcuts.sms or SMF file. So there you go guys. So once you click on that file, you will see that these Play Store thing here on the list will show up, and you just don't need to do anything right after that. So you can just close the shortcut maker app for now and Aurora Store, and then you can pinch your screen inwards as if you're trying to edit or add a widget. So click on widgets and look for the Play Store shortcut here. Now you see Play Store or shortcut maker rather. Just tap and hold it and drag it to any open space where there is enough space to add that icon, and then shortcut maker will open up like this one here. And now go back to history right away and choose any of the Play Store you see here on the list. Make sure shortcut fix is checked as well, like you can see here, and click on create shortcut. So pretty much the thing that we just did there is to create first the Play Store shortcut, and so it won't have the shortcut maker app you know, banner or what you call it, logo underneath it or something like that. Okay, so you will see a Play Store shortcut right now that is clean and looks like an actual Play Store shortcut on your device. And then after that, go back to the files, and now we can install the number 3 file, which is the RDTVGMS file, and just install it as normally. Open and allow all permissions, so allow everything here. Make sure to allow them all, especially this one here for the location, to say allow all the time, and allow everything should be allowed. Now my channel name and the year 2021 should be the password here. So that's Renz Dagz TV 2021, all lowercase. Now we can start and continue. So let's just wait for this to load all the necessary files it needs. So make sure to follow along with the steps, guys, because there are going to be some steps that you don't see normally when you install the GSpace app. So as we go along, I will show you what you need to do. So of course, first thing here at this point would be to delete all the things listed here. Oops, may have clicked on upgrade instead of delete, so just say delete. You'll also notice that the Play Protect will be turned on automatically. Doesn't matter if you don't have that, by the way, just letting you know that it's doing this on my end. Okay, so let me check. All right, so at this point, guys, we can now go to the Play Store shortcut that we just made and click on it to trigger the Google Play App Store, and then just sign in. So we're going to be signing in twice here. Okay, so this is the first time you need to sign in. Just sign into any of your accounts. If you only have one account, then that's it. If you have multiple accounts, don't log into the other accounts yet, just one account for the meantime. So let me add my account here really quick. All right, okay, so Play Store will automatically load. Right after that, make sure to install Play Services Info, the one that says from Webberdo, something like that. Install it and open. Then click on Play Store and then update Play Services. Just wait for it to get done. So the reason why we are doing the extra steps that we're doing right now, guys, is to prevent issues with applications, you know, getting problems in fetching accounts. So later I'll explain more about it. Okay, but just make sure to follow along these steps that we're doing right now. So it's already installed. Now we have to close everything. Now open RDTV GMS, and then so there's two ways to do this, guys, so we can clear the cache. So either open RDTV GMS like this, and then try to go to recents, and then just tap and hold at the upper left corner of it like this, and you should see it will go directly to the app info, right? Or you can go to settings, go to apps, search for RDTV GMS, and go to storage, and we're on the same spot right now. So right here, guys, you just need to clear the cache, go back, and then force stop. All right, now after that, close everything out, open RDTV GMS, open Play Services Info, click on Play Store, and uninstall. Now after uninstalling this one, you will see that the button changes to install. Close everything out, and then go to settings, go to users and accounts, and remove the G space without the logo there. So remove it, and then close, and open again RDTV, so it will load the Play Store once again. And just wait for it. Okay, now open Play Store using the Play Store shortcut, and you will notice that you will be asked to sign in again. So just sign in now at this part. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to sign into all of your accounts from here. Okay, so let me go ahead and add my accounts really quick. Alright, so now I'm going to add my second account. And at this part here, this may require me to get a code, so just bear with me really quick here. Alright, so I have added all of my accounts right now, so it's just gonna load. Now after you have added all your accounts, go back to the app info. So again, you can go either of the ways that I showed you a while ago, and now clear again storage, I mean the cache, only the cache, okay, not the data. Cache, back, force stop, and then close, go back to settings, and then check for users and accounts, and if Gspace is here, make sure to remove it. If not, then just restart. So I'm going to restart right now. I'll be back. Alright, so I have just restarted my device, and now let's open up again Play Store. Alright, it loads just fine. And our accounts are added successfully. So try to reopen it a couple of times just to check, or close everything out again and reopen. And now everything is loading fine. I'm using any of my accounts here, so it's all good. Now we can start installing applications here. Like, I'm gonna try Maps. And while installing, guys, make sure to go back to your settings and users and accounts again to see that G-Space is back here. Okay, so once G-Space is there, then you're good. Close it out and go back to our Play Store where we're trying to install some applications. So let me try to close and reopen the Play Store again to see if it's downloading this app here. Sometimes it may not download right away, so you can try to cancel install a couple of times, just like what I'm doing right here. And it should start downloading just like that. So I'm gonna put in YouTube here. What else? Gmail. Okay. So let's see. Let me check. Alright, so Google Maps has been installed now. So I'm just closing and reopening it. And you can also start creating your shortcuts, of course, for the apps you just installed. As you can see, shortcuts will look normal, just like a normal application. So that's what I mentioned a while ago, guys, wherein sometimes you will get issues where apps can't fetch the accounts properly, just like this. Okay, so that's something that I'll let you know as well how to deal with. So let's just wait for the other apps to get installed here. So for YouTube should have no issues at all with getting the accounts. So you can see it has all my accounts on here. Alright, and so let's check the other apps here. Gmail. Alright, Gmail is here. You can try to close and reopen it as well. I'll just make a shortcut of these apps here for easy access. Alright, so accounts are now being recognized. That's good. Just syncing the mail here. Okay. Now waiting for Maps there. For Maps, guys, you may need to reopen Play Store. So open Play Store first after you close everything, of course, and then check if it's still alive for the Play Store. Hey, I'm so sorry guys, my screen recorder just died on me, so I have to turn on again the recording thing. So anyways, again, for those who are getting some issues with any apps that you're using on your end using my modded version of the G Space that I'm giving out to you right now, just let me know in the comments down below so we can check for any fix in the future. And also if I have more time to update the description of the video so others would know which ones works well, which ones not. So pretty much that's it for the meantime, guys. So I hope you guys will benefit from this modded version of the G Space, so you will have like a normal looking GMS running on your phones, and of course having it as usable as possible, and I hope you guys would enjoy. So that's it for now, and thank you very much again for watching. For those who are new here, please don't forget to click that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and as usual, see you on my next one. Peace. Hello my friends, Renz Dagz TV here, and if you like my video, please smash that like button, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your help. Here's how you do it. Boom. Bada bing bada boom. And if you're on your phone, here's how you do it. Boom. Bada bing bada boom. Thank you, and see ya in my next videos. Peace.